Hey Queens and King, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be making carrot and beetroot juice, real yardie style. I think I've made one before but it didn't came out right. The video quality was poor, so I scrapped it. And that one I did it with the Guinness. My mom loved to use Guinness in it. So I think I'm going to make another one with the Guinness after this tutorial. So I already prepped my vegetables. I have carrots. I have I think it's 10 carrots and 3 beetroot. I already cut up the beetroot into smaller pieces just to help the blender. So now I'm going to cut up my carrots. And to make it go faster, align like 4 or 5 of them and cut them together. Alright, see how easy that was, guys? Just 5 at a time. Get it done real quick. So this is what it looks like. So the ratio of the beetroot to the carrot should be less because beetroot has a stronger taste. So you don't want it to overpower the taste of the carrot. Trust me, I've done that before. Alright, so now we're gonna pop some in the blender. So I'm going to pop some carrots, then some beetroot, carrots again, then beetroot. Then I'm going to add some water into it, like that. And then I'm going to pop it into the blender. So there it is, guys. And the beauty about a NutriBullet versus some other blenders, it gets most of the work done. So now when you strain it, it becomes way easier. A big strainer to make the work faster, easier. And I'm just going to pour it in, and I'm going to use this wooden spoon to get as much juice out of it. So you just want to go like that. So guys, on to the second round, and I have to tell you guys I had to switch from the big strainer to the smaller one simply because it was letting a lot of the trash back into the juice. So the smaller one keeps it more compact, so you get more juice, less trash. So you don't want to throw away this because in the end when you get all the juice, you're going to put back the trash. We would say trash in Jamaica. You're going to put it back in the blender with some water just to make sure you're getting every bit of juice out of that. Pretty much the same thing I'm doing, adding some water to it and then pop it into the blender. Another thing, guys, some people use cheesecloth. Use whatever you're more comfortable with. It's a long process and it takes a good amount of work. When you're finished, you'll feel like you were in the gym working on your arms, guys. This is where I got a good amount of the juice And I'm going to go back in with this like I told you earlier. So let me show you what amount I get just from squeezing it. I don't know if you guys can see it. Good. So now I'm just gonna add back the trash, as we would say. Some water. And do the same thing. So I'll come back, guys, when I'm ready to sweeten it. So guys, now it's time to sweeten it. I'll be using condensed milk, and as I said, if you live close to a Jamaican store, you can get it. I think you can get it on Grace online, and some people sweeten theirs with sugar, evaporated milk. Just sweeten it to your preference. My mother always used this, and so I choose to sweeten it with this. You want to mix it in. Another thing to note, how you can know that the juice is sweetened, when it has like this baby pink color. When it's not sweetened, it's like a deep burgundy color. Now we're gonna do a taste test. It's alright, but I think it can sweeten some more, so I'm gonna pour some more milk in. So guys, it's perfect. Right now it's perfect. So I would want to say a little over half tin of milk I used. And this is the color of it. Like I said, some people use sugar. If you use sugar, then you'd use less milk. So I don't know if you can see the color of it, but it's like this blush pink. So now I'm going to put it in the fridge to cool down, because it's way more tastier when it's chilled. So until my next tutorial, guys, one love.